Hello, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm teaching you how to install a full frontal installation using Love Beauty product for our bride on her very big day. So first of all, started by applying the skin protector. The first product we used was the skin protector, after which we now used the melting spray. Apply the glue, wore the cap, that's the bow cap, tie down the elastic just to help the back up to glue properly to her hair. And then the next thing is we'll cut off the excesses of the bow cap. The following one is I will color the bow cap to get her skin tone, and then we'll apply the Love Beauty glue. Cut the lace out, that's the essence of the lace. She didn't want her lace to be plucked fully or very well. She just needed just a little touch up on the lace, so we had to touch it up a little bit, then cut it and install. If you watch closely, you see that the lace is melted neat, clean to her skin. Just watch, you can hardly trace where the lace is without the professional light, without the professional cameras and all that. That's what a proper installation does for you. So just watch the step-by-step process and see the end result. We are still here because there are still some parts of the lace that are up, like the places I'm about to open up and show you and apply glue there, exactly where my comb is actually pointing at now. So I had to open them up, apply glue, allow it to dry up, and then stick it back later, after which I tied back my elastic and then I started styling. When I also applied the styling mousse, I also applied some other product to comb it out. Then I had to cut out some part of the hair for the baby hairs. I just like doing this very simple baby hair, so cut out some part of the hair for the baby hair, and then voila, the bride is getting ready. I made the center part, then I had to use the styling mousse to make sure that the whole hair rests very well on the way I want it to, the whole hair goes the way I want it to be, both sides, the center part being clearly defined and all. The melting, I had to use the melt and spray again. That's my the last procedure I used for tying down the elastic and styling the back of